just, like when we hit somebody, when I played, if you hit somebody and he didn't get up, like we didn't hold hands with the other team and pray, like hold hands and everyone prays for him to get up. We used to do a Indian, like a hump dance circle around, like and our crowd's like, he's paralyzed. That's right. What he's looking for his mother crying, like, that's right, lady. That's what you get. If you let him out here with chilies. He can't even wiggle his toes. Take the socks. Take the socks. We would tie his socks around our helmet for the next week. Like the next team, they knew, oh, that's the team that be tying paralyzed niggas' socks around their helmets to scare them next week. It ain't like we were thinking about harming somebody. It's just that's what we did, right? Oh, look at this guy. Look at this fucking crew right here. You guys are hilarious. You okay, guy? All right. You late for some tests you're gonna have at 1 in the morning? High intelligence face. Are you a big football fan? You like football? Yeah. You are, sort of. I don't think so. I think you saw me tease this guy. I'm just trying to get us to understand, man, that you the future, okay? I'm done, but they're taking away. I'm a Neanderthal, okay?